Ever tried to pay a bill, make a deposit, or just get some cash, only to find the bank doors locked and a sign saying closed? It's a surprisingly common frustration, isn't it? Especially when you're in a new place, or it's a day that feels normal but might actually be a hidden holiday. We've all been there, standing outside, wondering, wait, is it just this branch, or are all banks in the country shut? Today, we're tackling that very question for a specific location that's often a hub of international finance and travel, the United Kingdom. So, if you're wondering, are banks open in the UK today, July 24th, 2025, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the ins and outs of UK bank opening times, public holidays, and how you can always stay informed. First things first, let's address the immediate question. Today, Thursday, July 24th, 2025, is not a bank holiday in the United Kingdom. This means that generally, banks across England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland should be operating under their standard weekday hours. For most major banks, this typically means opening around 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. and closing between 3:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. Some branches, particularly in larger cities or high-traffic areas, might have extended hours on certain days or even be open on Saturdays, but Sunday opening is rare for physical branches. However, it's crucial to understand that standard hours can still vary from bank to bank and even branch to branch within the same bank. Local branches in smaller towns might have slightly different schedules compared to a flagship branch in central London. That's why, while you can generally expect banks to be open today, it's always a good idea to double-check. So, how do you double-check? The easiest way is to use the bank's official website or mobile app. Most banks have a branch locator tool where you can input a postcode or town and find the specific opening hours for nearby branches. This is by far the most reliable method. Alternatively, a quick phone call to your bank's customer service line can also give you the most up-to-date information. Now, let's broaden our understanding a little. What exactly is a bank holiday in the UK, and why are they important to know about? Bank holidays are public holidays observed throughout the UK, meaning most banks, government offices, and many businesses close or operate with reduced staffing. They're enshrined in law and provide a well-deserved break for many. While some, like Christmas Day and New Year's Day, are fixed dates, others, such as Easter Monday and the May bank holidays, shift each year. For 2025, we've already had a few bank holidays, including New Year's Day, Good Friday, Easter Monday, the early May bank holiday, and the spring bank holiday. Looking ahead, the next one after today will be the summer bank holiday, which falls on Monday, August 25th, for England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Scotland has its summer bank holiday earlier, on the first Monday of August. It's also worth noting that while physical branches might be closed on bank holidays, the world of banking doesn't completely shut down. Online banking, mobile banking apps, and ATMs are usually available 24/7, allowing you to manage your accounts, make transfers, and withdraw cash. Many payments, especially instant transfers, can still go through, but larger transactions or those requiring human intervention might be delayed until the next working day. So, even if the doors are shut, you're not entirely cut off from your finances. So, for today, Thursday, July 24th, 2025, you can confidently expect banks in the UK to be open during their regular weekday hours. However, for any specific needs or future planning, always consult your bank's official resources. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.